this video, I'm going to show you how to import your own fonts into CapCut. CapCut has to be the best video editing app on the market at the moment. Hence, you've seen me create a few videos around CapCut. I use CapCut daily. I've grown a following of over 1 million in just under a year for my motivational stop brand. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to import your own fonts into CapCut. Before we dive in, if you like videos like this, videos on YouTube tips and the best apps to help you get online with video, then consider subscribing, hit the bell icon and you'll get notified as soon as I release new videos. Right, let's dive in. CapCut is a free video editing app for both Android and iOS. The reason you may want to add your own fonts is twofold. Your brand may have a font that you already use, and you want to maintain that font. The fonts in CapCut are okay, but you just want something a little bit different. Okay, let's get to it. First, we're going to need to add the font to our mobile device. Now, you can either go to any of the ones on screen now, or you can just add it to a safe place on your mobile device. We need to be able to locate this font later on. Once you open up CapCut, go ahead and tap New Project. Tap Text or tap on Auto Captions if you want to caption the whole video. Now tap on the text to highlight it. Tap Style. Tap on the plus icon here. Locate the font you saved and CapCut will add it for you. Once imported, tap on Import Font. Your font will change. If you've used the Auto Captions feature, it will change the font for the entire video. If you only want to change a sentence or word, tap it, tap Style and uncheck Apply to Auto Captions here. That's how to import text into CapCut. You can also create text like this within the app. This I'm going to go into more in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, turn on notifications, and you'll get notified as soon as I release new videos. Happy creating, and I'm going to see you in the next video. I use CapCut daily and have grown a following for my motivational stop brand on TikTok.